Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2 Exercise 8.6 Question number 4. Let u of x, y, z equal x, y, z, x equal to e power minus t, y equal to e power minus t cos t, z equal to sin t, where t equal to element of r, find du by dt. Here the function u is x, y, z equal x, y, z, and x equal e power minus t, y equal e power minus t cos t, z equal sin t. Now dou u by dou x equal xyz. Here other than x, these two things are constant, so xyz derivative is yz. Now already y is equal e power, y is minus e power minus t cos t, and z equal sin t. Then next dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal here xz. X is e power minus t and z is sin t. Then dou u by dou w equal dou u by dou z, not w. Dou u by dou z is xy, where x equal e power minus t and y is e power minus t cos t. Dou u by dou x equal to e power minus t, e power minus t and e power minus t cos t, e power sin t. Then dou u by dou z, which is equal, we can write this one as e power minus 2t cos t. Now we'll do du by dx this side. Dx by dt is here because dx by dt is minus e power minus t. Dy by dt equal here uv, that is first e power minus t cos t differentiation is minus sin t plus e power minus t differentiation is minus e power minus t into cos t. Dz by dt equal cos t, because sin t is there, differentiation is cos t. Now by using chain rule, dw by dt equal dou w by dou not du, not dw, du by dt, du by dt into dou u by dou t and dx by dt plus dou u by dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x, then dou u, dou y by dx by dt plus dou u by dou z dz by dt. Now let us apply the value dou u by dou x equal e power minus t cos t sin t, e power minus t cos t sin t into dx by dt is e power minus t plus dou u by dou y is e power minus t sin t into dx by dy by dt by dt is it is minus e power minus t sin t minus e power minus t cos t, and dou u by dou z is e power minus 2t cos t into dz by dt is cos t. E power cos t here. Plus du by dt now by chain rule, that is du by dt equal, then here also e power minus t we have to take e power minus 2t out, then here cos t sin t is, we can write sin t cos t plus here look at this e power minus t sin t e power minus e power t sin t plus sin square t minus e power t sin t minus, so here sin squared t plus sin t cos t minus cos square t. That means here where minus comes here. Next here which is equal further e power minus 2t, here sin t cos t sin t cos t is we have 2 sin t cos t minus cos square t, because here We are taking minus out, here minus cos square t minus sin square t. So we have, which is equal e power minus 2t is 2 sin t cos t is sin 2t minus, here cos square t minus sin square t is cos square 2t. Cos 2t. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.